Tomorrow is a dream of your choice. Kung ano kayo magiging bukas, pipiliin nyo. Kayong dalawa. At yung pagpili ninyo, mahalin yung isa't isa, yun ay ang katuparan ngayon.
And you're exceedingly exciting and abundantly more than I can ask for, yeah. With your hand in mine, we will pass through time and space, yeah, yeah. And every second, every minute, every hour of every day, I'll say my unfailing love. For you will not be moved, for you will not be moved. My unfailing love for you. And though the mountains be shaken and the hills be removed, yet my unfailing love for you, yeah.
I am so blessed to have found you, Allen. His love surrounds us today. I can feel it, I can see it. Dahil kaharap ko ngayon yung lalaking binigay niya na nagmamahal sa akin. I'm so grateful to be so in love with my best friend, and I will love you today and forever.
Who devised that plan, united ours with his. And so, hand in hand we will walk with him as our two become as one, oh. And all the promises he promises to us, he promises will never be undone. My unfailing love for you will not be moved, for you will not be moved, no. My unfailing love for you. And though the mountains be shaken and the hills be removed, yet my unfailing love for you, yeah.
Colleen, this is one of the happiest day for me that I will marry the one I love. This is the most anticipated day. Sabi ng iba, masyado daw mahal. Pero para sa akin, walang ibang mahal kundi ikaw.
Be my wife. Oh, be my wife. Unfailing love for you will not be moved, for you will not be moved.
With this ring, I marry you, and with all my heart, faithful affection, I provide you.
Mountains be shaken and the hills be removed, yeah.